In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to use our Xlear Nasal Spray. We give you this in office, so we'll just kind of remind you how to use it. It's pretty simple. When you go to buy the actual bottle in the store, it'll look more like the bottle on the front of the sample packet. It's glass and the spray is a little bit different. You kind of push down to spray on the real bottle, but the sample's pretty simple, so we're just going to kind of show you how we want you to spray it in your nose. So take the lid off and you're going to spray in one nostril, and you're going to kind of close one side of your nose as you spray. So you're going to spray and then kind of inhale through your nose, and then you're going to do another spray while you cover the other nostril, and then you'll inhale through your nose the same way. And then again, make sure that the tip of the spray bottle is pointed outward. So we don't want you to spray inward toward the septum, the middle of your nose. We want you to spray more toward the like the outer part of your nose. So you're going to do 2 sprays in each nostril, and just make sure that you inhale after each spray, just so you can get it through your nose. You may experience some drainage with this in your throat or down kind of at the base of your nose. The important part is that if you do, just kind of dab the extra away. Don't blow it all out into a tissue, because it might feel like a runny nose, just because that kind of defeats the purpose of the spray. If it tastes sweet, like if you experience drainage down your throat, that's just because there's a xylitol, which is a natural sweetener, and so it just might taste sweet to some people. We'd recommend like 3 to 4 times a day of use. When you go to use it at night, just be aware that we recommend use it like 30 minutes before bed. That way, if you do experience drainage, you're not laying down and it's worse than it should be. So again, it's all natural, so it's just made out of saline, xylitol, which is a natural sweetener, and then grapefruit seed extract.